Catfish people, what's up? Hey, we had the roughest night I've ever had catfishing. We pulled 2 nights instead of bank. I lost count of how many we lost. It's in the video. Well, some of them's in the video. Fell in the water, rolled down the hill. I tore my back up, y'all. My hands are just ripped. I don't want to put that on camera. My hands are just ripped open, y'all. Hey, a little DIY too. Somebody may not know. You got a cut on your finger. Wrap some black tape around it. If it's hurting real bad, wrap some black tape around it. It will immediately stop hurting. True facts. Hey, good video, y'all. Another one. Not like my typical ones. We'll try to do better next time. But it's a good watch, y'all. Tight lines. God bless. Fish on, y'all. I thought it was recording. It didn't record shit. That was a hell of a fight, man. Oh my Lord. Whole time I thought it was recording and it wasn't even recording, y'all. Son of a gun. Whew. Man, I fought this mug. Oh Lord. She muddy too, y'all. I can get the hook out of his mouth here. Let me get some more light. Man, I thought the camera was shit. I thought the camera was running and all I hit was the damn photo button. This thing is muddy, y'all. Let me get a rag or something. Oh man. There's my rag. Oh man. Let me pause this, get a picture. Oh man, I can't believe I did that, y'all. I turn around and look back. 1 second I see me on the camera. I think it's recording. I look back again. It's a blank screen. Oh, look at this baby, y'all. Hey, it's one down. Let's get it back in. Go on, honey. Swim off. Find your way, babe. There you go, mama. Oh. Hey. Hey, we are an absolute disaster. That was caught on a big catfish rod with white perch, a whole white perch. I didn't cut nary bit of it off. It's probably about 4 inches long. Hey, whew, man, God, I wish I could have got that fight on there for y'all. I know it won't no monster, but where I'm sitting is I'm at the mouth of a creek, and the river runs down beside me. So I'm not casting straight out into the river. My baits aren't rolling or anything. I'm casting literally, like if this is the river and I got a boat dead center of the river and I'm casting down the river, my baits are just, they ain't going nowhere. All right, let's get cleaned up, y'all. Fish on, y'all. Are we recording? Yeah, we recording this time. Big cat fever rod, this one. This time, y'all, against the bank line. The last one was out towards the middle. Y'all hear that thing jumping. Number 2 for y'all tonight, though. Woo! Number 2, y'all. Let me get some more light. Woo! How about that, y'all? Number deuce. Let's pause this and get a picture. Whoo! I'll see this again. Look at there, y'all. Hey, at least we got this one on film. It's a pretty one, y'all. Hey, let's get this back in the water. Oh, I did that. Oh, man. We are fighting the mud tonight, y'all. Man. Let me show y'all what I got that on. Hold on a minute, we might have to take down. Oh, Lord. Just a piece of cut. I love to see that rod go down for y'all. A-Dog, Charlie Brown. Just a small middle section. White perch. Big cat fever rod. Pen Pursuit 3, 6,000. Berkeley Trilene, 30-pound test. Fluorescent green color. Carolina rig. Running a 4 ounce and a 2 ounce weight there. Damn it, I keep getting hung up. Hey, let's cast this back out, y'all. You know what? It ain't no way around it tonight, y'all, but you get muddy. It's gonna get muddy tonight, y'all. I mean, I'm an absolute mess. Look at the mud on these boots, y'all. Hey, that's the way we do it down here in the sticks. Hey, y'all want to see what in the world I'm fighting here? Let me unhook this camera. Let's see if I can slide it out. Last time I done this, we got a fish. We had the hell of a time. Let me see. All right. I don't know if y'all can see. I can't. Let me pause it and turn. All right, y'all. There we go. Here's my bait cooler, lantern. Y'all seen this lantern before, right? Walmart, $45. Rechargeable. Got 4 settings on it. Bluetooth speaker. And it serves as a charging bank. I've had it for 3 years. It's been in the rain. It lasts about 6 hours. There's a big cat fever rod with a pin. What we just caught it on. Here's my little bank spot. This over here is a creek. Now the creek runs out the mouth right here. This is my bank line. All it is, the river is over there. So I'm really fishing the mouth of this creek, y'all. I know y'all can't see it, I'm sorry, but it's the best I can do. There's another big cat fever rod, core candle. And that one's got a rattler on it. And there's a mad cat rod, the one we caught one off of. Hey, let's pause this and get y'all some more fish. Oh yeah, and we got some fire going, y'all. Look at here, look at this bank line. Y'all can't see nothing. Ah, man. A chair right there, I got my cart right there. Hey, let's sit back and bring y'all fish. Fish on, y'all. Number 3. He's pulling some hella drag. Oh, he just let go. Oh my God. Me trying to get that damn bell off there. Only thing left in my bait is an eyeball. That was a nice one, y'all.